Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by making sure the device is unlocked and has at least some charge. This prevents interruptions. Once done, open Settings and go directly to Apps or Apps and Notifications so you can access app-level controls. Scroll or use search to find Google Play Services. This is the system app sending the notification. You need to reach its app info screen. That's where toggles and permissions live, so pause at the app entry and tap it to proceed with the next configuration steps. Now you're on the app info page. Tap Notifications to see channels. You should disable only the channels responsible for the banner or persistent notice, because some channels are essential to system functions. If you prefer, toggle all notifications off, but make sure critical services won't be blocked. Next, check battery optimization and permissions. A misconfigured battery setting can trigger repeated notices, so set Play Services to Not Optimized and confirm permissions are appropriate to reduce future alerts. To finish, force stop the app or reboot the device to clear transient notifications. You'll often see the alert vanish after a restart. If it remains, clear the cache from storage on the same app info page, because stale data can re-trigger messages. As a deeper step, update Google Play Services via Play Store or uninstall updates from the app page to revert to factory version, then reapply updates carefully. If nothing helps, a quick troubleshooting tip: test in safe mode to rule out third-party interference.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.